Top 5 apps like Scheelscom review that actually work today. Scheelscom is a go-to destination for sports gear and outdoor equipment, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's the only reliable platform out there. The surprising truth is there are several apps that actually work today to provide quality sports, fitness and outdoor products. First, Dick's Sporting Goods. This app mirrors its website's massive selection of gear for sports, camping and fitness. Users love its intuitive interface and frequent promotions that make shopping easier. Second, Academy Sports Outdoors. It offers competitive pricing, seasonal deals, and a wide range of equipment for sports enthusiasts. Customers praise its fast shipping and app-exclusive discounts. Third, Base Pro Shops. Ideal for fishing, hunting, and outdoor adventures, the app provides detailed product descriptions and easy navigation. Users enjoy its loyalty rewards and mobile coupons. Fourth, Co-op. Known for quality outdoor gear, Re's app lets you browse products, read reviews, and access member benefits. Customers highlight its excellent customer service and eco-friendly product selections. Finally, Cabalas. Perfect for hunters and anglers, the app offers gear, clothing, and outdoor accessories with detailed specifications. Users appreciate its streamlined checkout and in-app order tracking. Pro tip: using multiple apps like these alongside Scheels ensures you get the best deals, broader selections, and access to unique products. Compare prices, check reviews, and look for app-exclusive promotions to maximize your shopping experience. These 5 apps provide trustworthy alternatives to Scheelscom, giving sports and outdoor enthusiasts more options for shopping safely, efficiently, and with confidence.